So we have a Google map here. So I've got one layer which has obviously some data. So this is our fieldwork. And you can see here that I have a photograph embedded. And with any of our sites, we can add a photo by clicking on this button here. So it might be from our drive, it might be one that we find on the web, and also a video. But if you use Google Photos, you can also upload your images. And if you've taken those images on a device that has a GPS, so it geolocates the images, Google will automatically place those images on a map. So within the geography realm, that's really useful for us. So I'm going to run you through quickly how to do that. So first things first, we need to add another layer. And this will be our photo layer. So you can see here how it's untitled layer. Let's call that simply photos. We'll save that. So we have fieldwork and we have photos. So let's import some information. So previously we have imported our data, whereas this time we're going to import some photos. So no, not the profile picture of me, but of our Wayne Richards fieldwork. So let's grab all 4 of those. I've got some students there. Let's copy those in. The magic of Google once more. We have our images geolocated. Okay, so that's pretty useful. We can click on the image. You can, if you want, remove that and provide some of your own details. So let's annotate this image. So what do we see? So we see some koala infrastructure, which is for to allow koalas so that they can migrate between Rosendale Reserve and Wayne Richards Park. So koala infrastructure. Let's save that. So we can annotate our images, and that becomes really useful. So again, whether you want to do it small scale or whether you want to do it large scale, let's add in, see if I've got some other photos of interest. Let's go to photo albums. So remember that this is using Google Photos. Now, let's, for example, this one is recent motorbike trip. I think I took this on my phone. This was my iPhone 4. So we'll see whether it geolocates this. Okay, so a long way away. This photo was taken Barrington Tops. And again, if you want to know anything about it, you can annotate it, you can add in other images, etc., etc. And it gives us our location, which is in degrees decimal. So that's how you add photos and add geolocated photos to your map. So either you have taken your photos using a camera with a GPS, an iPhone, a GoPro, etc.